Hello, dear traders. Today is our usual. It's a little webinar about the levels, prices, and everything else. Today it's going to be a recording for just one simple reason. I'm traveling, so today is Tuesday, and you know what's going to be with the levels. I will show it to you everything, and I hope you can make money on it. Very important thing when you put the levels, it's not only anticipation of how this level is going to work out. The very important thing is about the level. It's which direction it might go. So today I'm gonna, besides just the levels, I will try to explain why this level works to the upside or why this level works to the downside. So have a nice day. Watch out, and we're about to begin. All right. As usual, we're starting with one of the favorite pairs of all times. Just a little joke, which everyone likes it. It's the euro dollar. Important thing, the levels that I've drawn before with you, for one simple reason about the currency trading. It's all the instruments most of the time, except the Japanese yen lately, they're all range instruments. So if you draw the ranges, very important thing, the ranges are going to work out at any time in the chart. What are we seeing today? We have a very important level that's we drawn before, 106.869. As you can see, this level it was a mirror level. The mirror level we call the level where the resistance become a support. So usually these levels are very, very strong, very important. And as you can see, very important thing, we couldn't touch the high right here of 108.560. Very important thing, what's going to be at the 106.89. We have to see how's all of these guys who bought the currency pair euro above that level, how they're going to work out. Most of the time, price 106.869, it's supposed to be a fast move, probably of about 100 points right here. As you can see, this is a small level. It's not too important, but I'm going to try to draw to you to show to you why. A little higher. Hold on one second. Yes, right here. This is about 100 points of a fast move. We'll see how it's going to behave, if it's going to stop right here, because this bar is the bar of turnaround on a downtrend. So as you can see, we touch it right here. It was a limit order of someone, and if euro is going to break 106.869, we have a whole the chances to go like straight down 100 points and fast. And then we have another level of 152, 1052, and we're going to see how this level works out. The next one is the second favorite to you. It's the, as you can see, British pound slowly moving down. What do we have right now with the British pound? You see, it broke very important level of 121. Oh, I'm sorry, 125.190. It has the intermediate level right here. Hold on. I'll make it draw right here. Hold on. So as you can see, it's also mirror level, and it's 124.11, and looks like we're going there. And then at this level at 124.11, we're gonna see how we're gonna behave. Most likely, we're gonna break it because we have to get into the very tight range somewhere between 125.54 and 122.50. So this is going to be a range. Right now, as you can see, the British pound moving lower, and it looks like we're going to go straight to 124.115. As you can see, the very important thing, all the levels are still the same. They're not changing, and you can really trade them. And as you can see, this before all the way back to November, this was a very tight range for a British pound, from which whom it get out scenario. Pretty much this level can be the same. We can basically go, or we can go straight down from here. The next one is the Japanese yen. As you can see, Japanese yen works very well, right? According to our scenario. Hold on one second. Yes, it goes according to our scenario. You see, 119, 119, or I mean almost 112, and we drew all the levels before. So that's how we're going to go from this level to this level. back to this level. So very important thing. And Japanese yen right now in a down move, so we have to watch out. The levels are still the same: 112.6 and 2.8. So the levels are there, and we have to watch out how they're going to work out. Canadian dollar. Hold on 1 second. Okay, the Canadian dollar. Somehow it's hold on. Okay, this is the Canadian dollar. As you can see, the levels was drawn very well before. Very important level. It came out from the past. Hold on 1 second. This level came out from the past. As you can see, that's where it came out. It's a first turnaround. Very important thing. Right now, Canadian dollar looks like it's gonna go back to 132.76. As you can see, it start a slow up move, and looks like we're gonna go straight to 132.76. This is the next level for the Canadian dollar. New Zealand dollar, as I said before, if you remember, I said anything which stays above 0.72, it's going to go much higher. It built a very big base. It works extremely well. New Zealand dollar, very much surprised. It's just going straight, and it looks like it's going to go straight. We had a very big, as you can see, we were staying very long and accumulating the position. You can check the previous recommendations, and you can see it worked out. Everything worked out as we discussed before. So the New Zealand dollar, it just worked fantastically as we discussed. Australian dollar looks right now in a tight range between 0.76 and 0.77, but it still looks very strong until it's going to touch the low side of the level. But right now it looks very good, and it looks like very promising. It's going to break out to the upside of 0.67 Once it's going to break out, it has all the chances to go much higher. We just right now add one new pair. Honestly, guys, I don't really like it. It's the US dollar Swiss franc. I don't really like this pair. It's very slow, but I mean, it working out. You a lot of times asking for this particular pair. As you can see, there's a very small channel. The minus of the Swiss franc is that it has a very small moves. It does not move very fast. Also, a lot of people don't like Swiss francs for what it's done before. So basically, you can take a look. It's a very tight range. It's the first one, level 101.99571, and the third one all the way down 0.9890. So as I said before, I don't really like it, and we're gonna go to oil. Oil did exactly as I said before. It has a level 54.181. We have to watch out for it, and as you can see, it's a very tight range. Usually from this range, the instrument's getting out extremely fast. The longer it stays in the range, the faster it's going to get out from it. So what do we have right now? It's no intermediate levels for oil. As you can see, it's only up and a bottom line. So it's a 51787 and 54181. That's the two levels for oil. And it looks like it's going to still accumulate in there. Once it's going to accumulate, it has all the chances to go to the upside to the level or downside to the level. And the favorite one is the gold. Gold actually works out extremely good for us. 1219. I said anything above 1219, it's going to generate the big positive move, and we have all the chances to go to 1249. It looks like the gold is going to 1249, and it can go to 1249, and then we're going to see from 1249 how's that level is going to work out. This is Alex Gerchik, and also, as I said before, at the end of the March, we have a competition over team of traders. If you have a great results on the demo account, you have to get registered with the company. If your results are great, better than anyone else, you have all the chances to get real $1,000 in the team accounts. Gerchik, thank you very much. All the best, and I wish all of you going to make money. And a very important thing: watch us out, like us, please add yourself in our YouTube channel. please add us on Facebook and all social media sites. We're going to be very happy to help you out in any possible case. If there's a question, just write me down. I've been in trading for almost 20 years. Thank you very much. It's been Alexander Gerchik, and have yourself a nice day. Thank you.